Coming up viral news, we're going to talk about that robbery that took place in Half a Tree. Half a Tree was like a movie, but when the smoke clear, we get to understand, say a big man drop out and he's a bearer. Yes, man, be a right by gone with the place and carry check and letter and money and all these things, my viewers. Man grab bag, beat some can and that's it. Come on, not take no chat, my people. So, my God, send anybody else never get hurt, my viewers and subscribers, because we know say people that run up and down, vehicle that turn left, right, and center. Now, this incident took place right beside the Scotia Bank where they're in the middle of Half a Tree. Also across from the Oasis gas station, my people. Ain't no joke thing. Ain't no joke thing. Them money I mean business. Also, me talk about country music. Country music found guilty for smuggling guns in a Jamaica. Also, me talk about a Jamaican scammer who get 3 years in a prison on a walk with my people. Now this afternoon, my viewers and subscribers, people, it was a movie scene in Half a Tree where criminal elements took over Half a Tree, my viewers and subscribers, and an elderly man pick up some can, my viewers and subscribers. Man grabbed the bag, do him for do, and took off with the money. My people, we know we have sense, you know. We know how we have sense, don't? And we know so this is a setup, my people. And I joked in this, because that man there, them two person who ride the bike, them know everything I go on. Them know when the money I reach, them know much money in the bag. My viewers and subs, me I tell you, Jamaican gone, the criminal them out. Nobody now want work. Man I work on a phone call nowadays. The man sit down in my yard, people. And rich. That's why you see a man I buy a 1 and 2 car. You say, boy, where him get it from? Eh? More while a man I work for 3 months, people. Let me tell you something. A man I work for 3 months. A man wait for a phone call for come in and he make a move. Now that beer there. Boy, I don't know if I say, you know, youth. I do know what to say. Beer a dangerous work, you know. Beer a dangerous work. You have to run risks with your life. Because at any given time, the man them can come corn you up on a scene. The beer just like the king of that man, them, the one who load the machine them. You see me? Yeah. A serious thing, you know, people. Who do you think I'd be a bit thing this? Eh? The man them come and bust it up, brawling, and just grab the bag there and took away. Then they start to ask themselves, where was the police them? Because one thing, Half a Tree people, Half a Tree always full of police. Talk truth, no man. Half a Tree always full of police. Now, I'm going to read the article. I want to listen to this now, people. You see me? I want to listen to this. Now, this was a scene. As I say, it was like an action film movie. Yeah. So, listen to this. Right now, Half a Tree, Cambia, Beera, pick up multiple can up close to Scotia Bank while ago. Them take the money bag and escape on a motorcycle. It was like a movie. Yeah, man. What me say, my people? It was like a movie. An elderly man has died after he was shot during an alleged robbery outside Scotia Bank on Half a Tree Road, St. Andrew. Crime scene investigator cornered off a section of the roadway, affecting traffic as they process the scene. The viewers and subs, look at man. You see, in most cases, when robbery go on, them not find the man them who do it, you know. What me say? Them not find the man them who do all them crime on the people. The man that get way. Them man that take with themselves. Money, make and that's it, and money share up. Yes, my people. A big hit this. Big hit this. Big robbery this. And guess what? It's a Cambia bearer. So you know what Cambia have to do with the Western Union, MoneyGram, and all them place there. And a joke thing, a big money in the bag, my people. A big dirty money in the bag. And as me say, Them youth out on the motorcycle, them not want, them not interested in a work thing right about now. Them man them just want one thing come in, one ring, and then man jump on them bike and that's it. Them know exactly what going on with people. That's what I'm telling you, people. You can't trust nobody in the system, you know. You can't trust nobody in the system, yeah. The system, yeah, gone. My viewers. You see me? Yeah, man. Now we're going to talk about, listen to this now, people. We're going to talk about a Jamaican scammer. You see me? I know Mr. Jamaican scammer. I'm not no normal scammer. Because them money scam over 600,000 US dollar. And people, when you see him look rich. You know them man, the woman that run down with people. And them kind of man there. That's what I tell the woman them say, yo, not for know what kind of man that chose. Because enough of them boy are scam and a scam down the whole place. And I make crazy amount of money. And woman run them down and them can buy a 2, 3 fashion car and girl there with them. You see me? And then they are running upon them and then why them gonna prison. Now I'm gonna read the article and I want to follow me. You see me? Jamaican nationals sentenced to prison for lottery scam that devastate Southwest Washington retire. So the people them retire. So you see the people them where stop work and them people that the man them target. You see me? So Tacoma, a Jamaican citizen, was sentenced late yesterday in U.S. District Court in Tacoma to 3 years in prison for wire fraud for his lottery scheme that cost an elderly victim more than $600,000, announced First Assistant USA. You see me? So, my people, I'm not joking this. This ain't no joke thing. A Jamaican man was extradited to the United States on lottery scam charges in 2025 and sentenced to 3 years in prison on Thursday. Rashad Andrew Carty, 34, was sentenced in the U.S. District Court in Tacoma after pleading guilty to a lottery scheme that cost an elderly victim more than $600,000 US dollar. You see me? The United States attorney's office said on Friday. My viewers, I'm not joking this. Yes, man. And when you look upon them, man, them have a big gold train. Them drive Benz, Beamer, lavish lifestyle. You see me? That's what I'm telling the people. Some of the youth nowadays now, them don't want to work. I'm say work, I mean 95. Them don't want to sell nothing. Them want to go up on a phone and make a easy change. No man have no time for you to sit down and wait for nothing to pay their come in. You see me? Me I tell my people, I'm not joking this. Youths and youths, work hard for what you want. Because I can tell you this. Uncle Sam, I got call in for the whole of you. The whole of you, I got feel it. This is not a joke thing. This man take over 600,000 US dollar from the elderly woman. Papa Jesus. Because you know some viewers, when them elderly people reach them age, you know, them have dementia, and they remember a thing, they say, you talk to them, them just give out information like that. Them vulnerable to the public, to the naked eyes. So when you tell them, say, yo, more you send the cash to the card there. A easy 1, 2, 3 for them do, you know. Easy 1, 2, 3, cause they mind they far. You see me? Then again you ask yourself, say, boy, if some people just use them head and make them honest, brother, the world would have be better, you know. But as I say, people, nobody know want, some of the youth them don't want to work. They might chat the line. You see me? Yeah, and they might buy big car, big house, and they might floss, and they might alright. And them now work facing the people. Them claim so them a top man. And as the artists get a road, and as them get a run down. But what them do forget the money? Eh? What them do forget the money? Talk to the people. Only talk truth to God love. Some of them boys, you see, I come on scene and I come on and I go like some a top man. Them man a top man, my people. But you have some woman a licky. Where Man just use a little thing and frighten them and they just run in and turn idiot. You see me? Yeah, my people, and I joked in this. Youths and youths, wise up, or else the USA are going to extradite some of you in them country. And then, when I lose the freedom, man, I going to juke up on the bottom and all kind of different things, and man, I going to use, as them girl. Now, we are going to talk about music producer Country Hype, who plead guilty to shipping guns and ammunition to Jamaica. My viewers and subscribers, look at man. Country Hype is a famous producer. He worked with many artists, including Javelani, you see me, and many other big top artists, my people. But look at guys, Sir P don't tell we this, So enough of them Jamaican artists involved in all kind of scamming and gun activity, So this shouldn't come as no surprise, my people. This shouldn't come as no surprise. Shabdan are one of them who get locked up. You see me, and many other them, many should I say, couple of them also get locked up as well too. So this shouldn't come as no surprise. But what me I say about this, I have to elaborate and thing. Them producer we produce music. It seems as if majority of them in a badness. Or if they're not in a badness, them play a big part regarding supplying certain things. You see me? Now I'm going to read the article, guys, and tell me what you think about this backside. Because I tell you, people, Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaica music producer Country Hype, whose real name is Tajay Hubert Days has pleaded guilty in the U.S. federal firearm trafficking case. According to the prosecutor, Days concluded 30 firearm, 30 magazine, and more than 100 rounds of ammunition inside 5 office chairs that were being shipped from the United States to Jamaica on March 2025. Authorities said the weapons were wrapped in tin foils and foam before being sewn into the customs of the chair, cushion of the chair. Okay. The shipment was later intercepted and seized by law enforcement in Kingston. Jamaica federal prosecutors said Days plead guilty to smuggling goods from the U.S. and delivering a firearm to a common carrier without written notice. You see me? So people, they are also saying that this a producer boy, he might face up to 10 years in a prison if found guilty. And him sound guilty already, some people. So you know, say, prison time coming for Country Hype music. The big bad producer who produce enough big artists and all these things, my viewers. What's wrong with them youth here? You see more time them get big and famous, my people. You have the Dana compare them, my viewers. Dan compare them and say you want to do for the community. You see me? Some more people them get caught up in a situation, but they must know what them want to do. You see me? So Vibes Cartel involved now kind of wrongs there and him change now. So I couldn't know this, guys. Jamaica is not a real place. Them producer here, them are going to a bag of things. What me say? A whole thing them producer boy are going out on social media in a real life. I be a gun them provide and make community live in a fear and all kind of things, my viewers. You see me? Don't take them lightly, Don't take them boy lightly, them boy are wicked, You see me? But I say go. You live by it, you shall die by it, my gun.